What's up, guys? It's Alex from StackTrading.com, live in Mexico. So today's Tuesday, May 25th, and as I'm sitting by the pool area, I wanted to check in on the markets and take some trades. So today I focused on Tesla, and as I did yesterday, and I'm starting to realize that while you're on vacation and when you've only got one monitor, it's best to focus on just one or maybe two stocks and just wait for the setups, wait for the opportunities to get in and get out. Because if you flip through too many trades or too many charts, too many stocks, you start to lose focus, right? So if you notice down here, I've got 10 different tabs. So I got Tesla's number one, then I've got the triple Qs and SPY, AMC, GameStop, Apple, and a couple of other stocks. And occasionally I would flip through them, but I was really laser focused on Tesla because it allowed me to stay focused for that precise entry point that I needed, so that I can make that quick money. So today I spent about an hour and 20 minutes looking at the charts and just being active in the market. My wife and my kid, they were swimming in the pool, and I was kind of just laying down on the beach chair or the pool chair and having my laptop on my lap and just kind of waiting for an entry point. And as you can see here on the bottom right hand side, I took 4 trades. 2 were essentially break even, and the last 2 trades were really my money making trades. So today I'm walking away making $1,100 profit on Tesla in an hour and 20 minutes of work while I'm on vacation. So pretty nice day if you ask me. So let's go over it. So my first trade on Tesla, as you can see here, the timestamp was 9:56 and I got out at 9:58. Essentially, right there, I ended up making like $40 profit. But that occurred right here, 9:56. If you follow my cursor, on that yank on that little bear flag formation, I got in on the puts. But the reason why I got out for break even, guys, is because if you focus on the next 2 candlesticks, especially the 9:58 and 10 o'clock, it was getting jumpy. It wasn't flushing. And I'm really glad that I got out, even if it was for a practically break even, because look at this candlestick at 10 a.m. The stock traded from 604 and rallied all the way to 607 with 10 contracts. I mean, right there alone, I could have been down easily, maybe $1,000, $1,200. So I'm glad that I got out when I did. Even though had I held, regardless of that small pop, had I held for another maybe 4 minutes or so, the stock would have broken down to about 602. Regardless, I got out. Let's call it a break even. Second trade I got in was at 10:02 right here. So I did get in on this candlestick, 10:02, and I got out on the same minute. So let's see if I review details. What's up, dude? Everyone say hi, my little guy. What's up, dude? You having a good time? So let's see here. Let me open up the details. Okay, so yeah, practically break even on this trade as well, 10:02. So I don't, what's funny is I don't even remember this precisely, but I got in for the short, and then I guess I got out very quickly because it was just getting jumpy. It wasn't flushing the way that I wanted it to, but the next candlestick did get that flush, so I missed it. So right there alone, in those first like 10 minutes or so, break even. Really nothing there, right? It was just getting really, really choppy. Then I kind of just monitored the market and looked at Tesla. It consolidated here for a good 30-40 minutes until 10:32. That's when I got in for the short on this candlestick. I was able to on that candlestick right there. I got in and cashed out on the next one, and that one gave me about a $380 profit. Let's just round it up a little bit to $400 if you include the $40 or $30, whatever I made over here. So by this point, I'm already up like $400. And then I waited a little bit more, kept monitoring the market, and you can see here that it did pull, but then bounced back up. So I kind of just stayed patient, and at 11:07, right here, right, 11:07. Where are you? this candlestick right here, I got in for some puts. I actually got caught in this one because you can see here that at 11:07 I got in with, let me see, 600 puts expiring June 4th, and the stock actually bounced on me for a solid, 8 minutes or so. I was in a bad position here. I was actually potentially red on the day. I would have given up all of the money I made earlier on and then some. But I was monitoring the triple Qs very closely, and the triple Qs were very weak. And right here at 11:07 or 11:10, right when I got into the puts for Tesla, I saw the market was yanking, as you can see here if you follow my cursor. So I saw these yanks developing. So I stayed patient and remained confident on my short. And I'm glad I did, because right here at 11:14, got that hard yank. And right here at 11:16, oh, got a little notification. At 11:16, that's where I took my profit on Tesla. Had I held a little bit longer, I could have made more. But by this point, I was already up $1,100 on the day, and $1,100 during vacation is honestly not bad at all. Especially, while I don't really need to trade, I'm doing this because I love trading the markets, want to make some extra cash, and also just to show you guys that you can trade while you're on vacation and really anywhere around the world. So my only suggestion, now that I've done this for 2 days, is focus on 1 or 2 stocks and make sure you have damn good Wi-Fi. I'm pretty surprised that the Wi-Fi here at this hotel is pretty good, but I picked a location where the bandwidth on the Wi-Fi was pretty solid, so it gave me some confidence on executing some trades. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned some here. So really, I was trading on the 2-minute time frame, and of course I always monitor on the 5-minute just to see where the overall trend is going. Tesla today, the reason why I was short bias is because the 8 MA and the 20 here crossed below the 200, so that's why for me I was not interested in going long Tesla. I was actually interested in shorting Tesla, which I was right on the dot. And of course, what helps me with that confidence is looking at the triple Qs. So you can see here the triple Qs, since the market opened, has been on a slow downward trend. So that's why I was short biased on Tesla today. So if you've got any questions, any comments, you can comment below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.